These are the Koss Porta Pro wired headphones, and they have been my day-to-day headphones for more than 20 years. This is my extremely long-term review. The Koss Porta Pro is an on-ear headphone, so it does not cover your whole ear like an around-the-ear headphone. At the same time, it stays entirely outside your ear canal, unlike an in-ear headphone. One of the great benefits of this design is that when I'm wearing them, I can still hear traffic. When you're not using the headphones, they fold down into a compact size. Firstly, both of the sides here fold in like so, and then there's a little hook here at the top which you can use to close both of them together. You can even adjust the size of the package like so. These headphones connect with a 3.5mm headphone connector. In case your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, you can get an adapter. The Koss Porta Pro are extremely comfortable to wear, and there's two places you can adjust them. Firstly, you can adjust the length of the brace with these two sliders here. I actually prefer to do it when they're on my head. Let me show you. So now it's a little bit too short, but then I can just pull down here and they will sit perfectly. The second adjustment is right here above the headphones. This comfort zone allows you to choose between 3 different levels of firmness of how tightly the headphones grab your head. The Koss Porta Pro are extremely durable. As I mentioned, I've been using them for more than 20 years. But there is one part that will wear out after a couple of years of use, and that is the cushions on the headphones. But that is easy to solve. You can buy one of these packs of extra cushions from Koss, and as you can see, I've already gone through a few of them. These headphones sound amazing. The sound is clean and there is clear and significant bass. Koss recommends that you do not use any EQ or sound profiles when using them, and I wholeheartedly agree with this recommendation. If you're looking for a pair of wired headphones that are lightweight and also sound amazing, I definitely recommend the Koss Porta Pro. Learn more about availability and pricing with the link in the video description below. For more product reviews, click or tap the screen right here. Thank you for watching. My name is Marcus Seppälä, and I will see you in the next video.